Welcome back to another Swatch Saturday. I'm going to be reviewing and swatching all of the YENSA lip oils. I have a ton of shades right here. I'm not sure if I have all of the shades here. I have 8 of them. So I'm gonna swatch the 8 shades that I have for you on my lips. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, but right before we do that, I'm gonna try just the clear one on my lips right this second. We're going right into it. Wait, that looks so cool. It's literally like oil. Oh! Ooh, it smells like candy. It has like a kind of like a soft candy type of smell, and I kind of like it. I think my only thing with me and lip oil, my preference is to use something that is a little bit more sticky so that it stays in place. So I treat lip oils like lip balms. But it feels really nice. It's not sticky. It doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes kind of good. And it's super shiny. And I like it. But let's see what the other shades look like on my lips. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Those are all of the shades swatched on my lips for you so you can see what they really look like. I will say, I actually like these a lot more than I thought I would. I just feel like lip oils for me, they just bleed off of my lips, and I've had this one on, which is the last one I tried on and I think is my favorite, which is Pink Shine, and I've had it on for quite a little bit and it hasn't bled at all yet, which is awesome because that's always my fear wearing lip oils. Anything with the word oil in it. I'm like, it's gonna ruin my makeup. Even cooking with oil. But I am surprised at how pigmented the rest of the lip oils are, and I'm surprised at how much I actually like this lip oil because it doesn't look, I don't know, it kind of looks like the clear one, but just a like very, very little bit of color, which I think is perfect, and it does go with this look that I'm wearing right here, and I like it. And I mean, I definitely have to say, I like lip oils for the fact that they're not sticky as hell on my lips. But I definitely recommend these if you are someone who wants something that has a ridiculous amount of shine. Because I will say, I have not seen glosses that shine as much as lip oils do. And if you want something that is not going to be sticky, so ridiculous shine, not sticky, going to be super soft and hydrate your lips, then I definitely say go ahead and pick up the YENSA lip oils, and I hope this video helps you make that decision on which one you're going to get, or I don't know, get all of them. Just in case you didn't know, this video is not sponsored, but I do have a code with YENSA. You can just use my name, Julia. You'll save 30% off of your purchase. All of my coupon codes and all of that fun stuff are in the description down below, so make sure to check that out so you can save some money. I do not make commission on every single one of my codes, but I like to make sure that I share all of them with you because I would hate for you guys to miss out on the opportunity to save money, because let me tell you something. I like to save money. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this Swatch Saturday, and I'll see you next time.